Welcome to Harpers Ferry National Historical Park, where history, nature, and adventure come together in the most unforgettable way. Our family trip starts at the heart of this charming 19th century town, nestled at the meeting point of two rivers and three states, West Virginia, Maryland, and Virginia. It feels like stepping back in time. Harpers Ferry was a key site in the Civil War and a symbol of freedom during John Brown's famous raid in 1859. We explored the exhibits and even stood inside John Brown's fort, a powerful reminder of the struggles that helped shape America. But Harpers Ferry isn't just about history. It's an outdoor playground too. We decided to take advantage of some of their trails. Did you know the Appalachian Trail runs right through here? We even walked a short stretch and imagined what it would be like to hike all 2,000 miles. Before we left, Brennan completed the requirements to earn yet another Junior Ranger badge to add to his collection. As he is earning these badges, we are all learning the history and the importance of our national parks and monuments. From powerful history to stunning views, Harpers Ferry is a perfect family getaway that lets you connect with each other and with the past. Thanks for coming along with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on our next family adventure.